Urea production, you need the knowledge, skills, and strategies to manage production plants safely and efficiently. The Fertilizer Academy offers a training course, Fundamentals and Best Practices for Urea Plants Operation and Maintenance. The course program includes 10 lessons covering key topics. Let us start with urea itself. Its properties define how it behaves in production, handling, and storage. You will learn about solubility, melting point, urea synthesis and hydrolysis reactions, as well as byproduct formation, and how these factors influence the urea production process. Understanding urea properties is the foundation for safe and efficient plant operation. Every chemical has inherent hazards. Urea is no exception. You will learn about risks of ammonia release and carbon dioxide under pressure, fluids that solidify, fire and explosion hazards, elevated temperatures, and physical risks. Understanding these hazards is the first step towards effective accident prevention. Beyond inherent hazards, urea manufacturing introduces additional process risks. Corrosive carbamate solutions can attack equipment if not properly managed. We will explore process flow, equipment selection, and control systems. We will also cover the design and operation of dynamic equipment, high-pressure vessels, and vacuum units, highlighting their specific requirements and challenges. Let us examine the advantages and disadvantages of various urea melt finishing methods. Corrosion is one of the biggest challenges in urea plants. You will learn about types of corrosion, material selection, protective coatings, and operating conditions that help minimize corrosion processes. This is essential knowledge for the reliable and safe operation of urea plants. High product quality is critical for the market, agriculture, and industry. We will explore the factors that influence granule strength and uniformity, and review the quality requirements for urea depending on its final application. You will learn how anti-caking agents improve flowability and how to minimize segregation to keep urea uniform during storage and handling. Storage conditions are critical to preserve product quality. You will learn how to prevent caking, moisture ingress, and granule breakage during storage and transport. Safe blending and handling ensures smooth logistics and delivery. Urea production must always comply with strict environmental standards. In this course, you will learn about the impact of pollutant emissions on the environment. You will study methods for cleaning exhaust air from finishing units, focusing on the removal of dust and ammonia to ensure compliance with environmental requirements. We will explore practical methods to reduce ammonia emissions into the atmosphere and discuss whether flaring is an acceptable option. Enhance your expertise with Fertilizer Academy. Gain access to this course and other professional training materials on ammonia and urea production to advance knowledge and improve staff qualification levels.